go there swimming with my Filipina friend because in KKL, you know, she was
The one she's working there before?
yeah,
You
she
said?
was working there in KKL, right? Before. She has always a free entrance here. Yeah, she can have the swimming for free. Yeah, there's still the fly.
So where is she now, Anne? Your friend, she's still here?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay. She's also married with or no?
She's not there. Before she was married for 25 years in Austria. Yung bana, manggunsaw na kay Austrian.
Okay.
Yeah, ika-divorce na sila. Yeah, kita siya boyfriend, Swiss boyfriend, diri, taga diri ba? So, wala na siya diri.
Mao di ay.
Now.
Yeah.
So you need to go back to Bruno, then you can enter here.
Can I just go to Brunel? So he can just have a quick picture there. Is Roger there?
I don't know.
Didn't say anything there. This is also hotel, honey.
No.
Apartment.
Well, it was a hotel before.
Crazy, no? I think that apartment is expensive.
Yep.
Here?
It's not parking. It's a motorbike park.
Yes, no?
Motorbike park.
So schön. Für den Freitag mit der besten Musik.
Kids.
This is what I don't like if we drive with the car. Because there is
Und auch fetziger Sound von Metallica.
zero possibility that we can park.
Matters.
Here? Here. This is yours.
Stubentanzen, die Leonie mit Remedy in bester Musik.
Yeah, but you should go out first.
Yeah, I go up.